Man, I'm really sick of Animaniacs because it's not owned by Cartoon Network Studios, and it's even worse because a lot of people like this stupid show. I know how I can get my revenge. I'll make a fake EAS alert to the whole world and scare everyone. Ha 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 ha. But first, I have to find the EAS headquarters. Perfect. Now that I found the EAS headquarters, let's sneak inside.
All right, everybody, it's lunchtime. You can have your 30-minute break.
Coast is clear. Wow, so many choices to pick. These emergencies are really good, but I wish there was a good one. Wait, what does this button do? Wow, I can upload my own EAS alert. Wait, that reminds me. Good thing I brought this flash drive with my favorite type of an EAS alert. Alien invasion. Let's put this in. Great, now let's upload the Alien Invasion EAS alert to activation. Sweet, now all we have to do is activate it to the button. Sweet, now let's rename the alert. Success, now the button should be ready. Finally, now it's time to push the button to alert everyone for aliens.
Warning, 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 aliens incoming. Get to a low ground and barricade yourself with supplies and stay safe. I repeat, get to a low ground with supplies to keep you safe. Aliens incoming. Warning, warning, warning.
You take the kids and supplies to the basement. I'll go get my first aid kit.
Okay, quick Mary, go to the basement, go get supplies and food.
Hey, who are you and how did you get in here?
Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. I just made my revenge for the people who likes Animaniacs because I don't like it because it isn't made by Cartoon Network Studios.
Wait, what did you mean? Wait, oh my god. Kid, do you know what you just done? You caused so much panic to the whole world. What the heck is wrong with you?
I don't care what I did, it was so funny.
That's it, I'm calling your parents.
You don't know me, my parents, or their phone number?
Not really, Max, we do all know in fact, because right now the viewers are seeing you on YouTube, know who you are. I'm calling your parents.
Never.
Quick, make an administrative message to the whole world that this was a false alarm.
Sure thing.
Where's everybody?
There you are, Max. Quick, let's go to the basement. Quick Max, go hide there with Mary and your mother while I'll go barricade. It's been real quiet now, I wonder what's going on now. It's a EAS message, let's see what it is.
The following message is transmitted to the request of the United States government. This is an all clear and false alert. There is no real aliens or a threat. I repeat, this is a false EAS alert that was announced to the whole world. All clear.
Guys, it was a false alarm. There's no aliens, but who would have made such a false EAS alert like that? This is Jerry. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Charlie, and I'm the leader of the EAS Headquarters, and I wanted to inform you that your son has made a fake EAS alert to the whole world, causing so much panic. Can you please call the cops and arrest him?
He did what? Are you serious? Thank you for telling me. I will take care of it.
What happened there?
Someone made a fake EAS alert causing so much panic to the whole world.
Who?
Max. Max, tell me the truth right now.
Okay, yes, I made a fake EAS alert as a revenge for people who likes Animaniacs, because I don't like Animaniacs because it's not owned by Cartoon Network Studios. I'm so sorry.
Max, how dare you make a fake EAS alert? What the heck is wrong with you? You caused so much panic to the whole world and chaos. This is the most stupidest thing you ever done in the world. That's it, I'm calling the cops.
Max, you're under arrest for causing so much panic to the whole world and chaos. You will be going to jail for 1 month. Now get in my police car that is waiting outside.
You hear the man, get in his police car right now.